Hello, I'm Pat Reynolds, editor of Packaging World magazine, here with another episode of Technology Minute. Today we talk with Cliff Mistretta, the general manager from Ideal Stitcher Company. And today we'll be talking about the Ideal box steel wire stitchers. So tell me, Cliff, can you explain what an Ideal box steel wire stitcher is and how does it operate?
An Ideal box wire stitcher is a machine that works off a roll of steel stitching wire to form staples, which are driven into corrugated boxes and clinched for a secure closure. We manufacture two types of box wire stitchers. One is a post wire stitcher, which staples the bottom of boxes. The second one is an arm wire stitcher, which staples the seams or ends of boxes. We also offer an option for an Ideal combination wire stitcher, which staples both bottoms and seams of boxes. The steel wire used to stitch a box comes in two options. Customers can choose a copper or galvanized finish depending upon their preference.
And what are the advantages of using an Ideal box wire stitcher compared to gluing and taping boxes?
Well, some of the advantages of using our box wire stitcher is that they are more efficient and economical. The steel wire stitchers are stronger than glue or tape, making it ideal for maximum holding capacity. Box wire stitching also saves time, labor, and losses of content when shipping your boxes. Climate conditions inside or outside the plant can't weaken or affect an Ideal stitcher stitch sealed box. In addition to quickly sealing a box, there's no waiting for messy adhesive to set. As soon as the boxes are stitched, they're ready for use. An operator can stitch anywhere from 200 to 600 boxes per hour, depending upon their experience and the size of the box. The cost of taping a medium-sized box comes out to approximately 50 cents a box. Gluing a medium-sized box averages 4 to 5 cents, whereas stitching a medium-sized box with an Ideal wire stitcher is less than a penny, not to mention 40 to 60% savings in labor.
Let's talk about the longevity of an Ideal box steel wire stitcher. How long can a customer expect your machine to last before having to purchase a new one?
Well, Pat, believe it or not, the average lifespan of an Ideal box stitcher is anywhere from 30 to 40 years. This is based on daily usage of the stitcher and properly maintaining the machine. As far as maintenance, a couple of drops of oil in the designated spots for every 8 hours of use will make it run smoothly and prolong the life of the machine and its parts.
So when you talk about boxes, what types of industries can the Ideal stitcher be used for? And can it also stitch different materials other than corrugated?
Well, it definitely can stitch other things. Clearly, any industry that is using boxes as packaging can use our Ideal stitcher. Some of our main clients are in the alcohol industry, shipping wine, beer, and spirits internationally. Fisheries use the machine to staple the bottoms of boxes for maximum holding power. Various poultry and meat farms, as well as cricket farms, which are a large industry for us, they use special boxes with cutouts and staple a meshing to the box so that crickets can breathe. Not only can the Ideal box stitcher stitch corrugated boxes, but it also can staple materials such as leather, cloth, thin wood, and plastics. For example, another large industry is orchards. They staple the wooden baskets together and use the stitcher to attach the handles to them. The baskets are then used for apple, peach, pear, and berry picking, to name a few. Industrial leather glove companies use the machine to stitch heavy-duty leather together. Also, various uniform suppliers that manufacture police, firemen, and band hats use our stitcher to attach the plastic lid to the hat itself. The Ideal box steel wire stitcher can be manufactured to produce different size stitches. We also provide different size wires. So as you can see, the machine is very versatile, which gives us enormous capacity to be used in many industries.
And what about customers? What do they like about the Ideal box steel wire stitcher?
Well, one of the qualities our customers like about the Ideal stitcher is how simple it is to operate and maintain. The machines are so easy to use that any inexperienced person only needs a few minutes of instruction before getting started. The locations to the oil, to oil the machines for maintenance are clearly marked, and the parts can easily be replaced. Another great attribute is that the staples are formed from a roll of wire. The coils come in either 10 or 25 pounds. A 10-pound produces approximately 15,000 stitches, and a 25-pound coil produces about 39,000. Replacing the coil of wire is also very straightforward and effortless. The reason I'm explaining this is that this makes for very little downtime, and it always keeps the owners very pleased. Another best attribute that our customers rave about is the top quality and the longevity of the machine. We have been a family-owned business since 1933 and have customers that have been with us for several generations. There is nothing like a good old-fashioned American-made machine. And remember, Pat, the ideal seal is steel.
Well, thanks, Cliff. It's been great talking with you today.